Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing, and today we are visiting the Fire Shrine at Brushwood Folklore Center. The Fire Shrine here is also known as the Roundhouse, and behind me you can see the garden area and a bunch of upright poles. We are in the middle of replacing all of the slanted poles that go across. They are all of the old Beltane or Mayday poles, and we create this beautiful surrounding, and we will replace some of those as need be, because if they fall down it's dangerous to the community. So this is our place of passion, our place of creativity. So let's go explore. As you can see, there is a flower garden, and there would typically be a red triangular sign that says fire. And inside of the roundhouse, or the fire shrine, we have a drumming pavilion, a place for a fire in the center. But the drummers typically gather over here. The fire is in the middle. And there's actually a small fire, probably from last night, still burning here today. And you can see how close in all of these are because there's not many people here right now. But you can have a lot of people here. There's benches along the outside, but this is our place of creativity, of passion, of burning those things that we wish for the air that we talked about last Tuesday to be able to go up to source. But inside here we have a little air altar in the east, and there is a fire altar in the south, and the drumming pavilion, and there is a water altar over here in the west, and over here is the earth altar. So this is a community space where the community gathers, where the community dances and drums and sings and raises energy, creating and drawing that energy up from Mother Earth and allowing it to come up through your body and to manifest those dreams, to manifest those desires. Fire is associated with the color red and the direction of self. Some people also use orange and other colors that you might find in a flame. But in tarot, it's associated with stabs or rods. And it's all about bringing your passionate creativity into fruition. It's about birthing those ideas that you got in the air element. It's about bringing those things forward and bringing that energy and bringing it into what you need for yourself and for the community and what is best for others. It's also a place of release. You can let go of the things that you found out through thought as we go around the wheel of the elements, that you no longer need, the things that no longer serve you. You can release them through fire. And that is very often done here in the Roundhouse. Our next stop, next Tuesday, will be to the water shrine here at Brushwood. And I will also, at the end of our cycle, share some wonderful ritual drumming with you towards the end of the month. So make sure that you don't miss out on those videos. And until then, many blessings, tribe. We'll see you next Tuesday.